Horses sound, we have Humble Riches. Pass to begin, moving up on the outside. Second is Alpha Alianza and Fairwind. He's racing in third, passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have Humble Riches and Alpha Alianza fighting it out for the lead. 3 lengths watching in is Fairwind. Into the turn they gallop for the 2011 Club Don Juan de Manila Juvenile Fillies. We have Humble Riches by Abaranek and on the outside Alpha Alianza. 7 lengths away in third remains Fairwind. Humble Riches this time by Abaranek and on the outside is Alpha Alianza. Fairwind remains in third by a gap of 8 lengths. And it's still Humble Riches. And on the outside is Alpha Alianza pressing up. Fairwind remains in third. Humble Riches and Alpha Alianza is on the outside. Fairwind in third. Humble Riches now strides away by about 2.5 lengths. Alpha Alianza remains in second and Fairwind in third. As the fields turn for home with Humble Riches now by about 4 lengths. Alpha Alianza in second, Fairwind in third. Last 150, we've got a Humble Riches by about 7 lengths over Alpha Alianza, Fairwind. And nearing the finish line, the unbeatable Humble Riches has won the Juvenile Fillies. Second, Alpha Alianza, Fairwind.
Never been better tong si Humble Riches.